Hi, and we're back. Excuse me. Good morning, Musketeers. So, today is Fantastic Fabulous Friday. So, it's time for circle time. All right, it's time for our review. So, what have we been talking about this week? Space! What have we been talking about? Space! Okay, you ready? Dun, 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 dun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip and our favorite rocket ship zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, everybody rocket, rev it up now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Close your eyes. Where are we? Space! We're in space. Tell me what you see. What do you see in space? We are in space. We see darkness. Darkness and stars. And it's cold. It smells burnt. We're up here. What is space? Space is the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. And it doesn't have a definite altitude above the Earth's surface. What's in space? What's up there? We have the sun. We have a sun. The sun is a star. It's hot. It's very hot. The sun is very hot. The sun is white, but to us it's yellow when we look. But up there in space, it's the color is actually white. We can't look at it directly. It will hurt our eyes. It gives us the time of year, different seasons. The sun gives us different times of seasons, and we have four. We have spring, summer, winter, spring, summer, fall, and winter. So it has that. We have the moon in space. We have planets, which we live on Earth, planet Earth. The sun holds all these things as stars. Holds all these things in orbit up there in our solar system. In the solar system, we have the moon, the sun, planets, and other stars. Okay. And how can we get to space? If we were an astronaut, we could be an astronaut. But what would the astronaut use to get to space? What do they use? A space shuttle. Space shuttle is their transportation. And if we were on Earth looking, what could we use to see the space in space, the solar system? We could use a telescope. The object that's used to transmit information back to Earth to tell us what's going on in space. There's satellites. There's satellites around Earth and around the moon. And there's other satellites that are out there too that within our solar system that gives us information to transmit it down to let us know what's going on. Okay. So we have astronaut. That's one of our vocabulary words. Person who explores. And they go to NASA. It's a space camp. And they go there and they learn all the information about space and they train to go up in space. Planet. We live on Earth. It's called the water planet because it's made of majority of water. Gravity. The sun is what has gravity that's controlling, that's holding all these things out there in space. Gravity is also what we have on Earth that keeps us down to the core of it so that we're not floating. And space, the word space starts with a S. Space. So what kind of things, words that starts with S? Well, can an astronaut wear regular clothes? What kind of clothes do they wear? A spacesuit. This is called a spacesuit. Spacesuit. And what do the astronaut use to travel to space? Has two of them. A space shuttle. S. Um, what are the astronauts going to check up there? That's the S word. They're going to check the what? The satellite. What's a planet that starts with S? Saturn. And the closest star to Earth that starts with the S. The sun. The sun. And all these things make up our what? That starts with the S. Solar system. Solar system. So space, S, and the sound space has S, a lot of S words out in space. Okay. And if we wanted to go visit a place that has all this information, you know how we will go to the museum to check out for dinosaurs, about the dinosaurs, to see about them, to find out about them? Where could we go to find out about all this space stuff? Hmm. Could you go to to the museum? Hmm. A planetarium. It's called a planetarium. You go to a place called a planetarium, and it has all this information about space, things that are in the sky, and all this stuff that's dealing with space. You know what that word is called? Astronomy. 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 So, in the planetarium, you learn all about astronomy information. Okay? I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed learning all about the space this week. So I want you to tell me, what was your favorite thing you learned about space? What was your favorite book? And what's something else that you still wonder about space? Okay? Bye bye.